Leaders working in ThoughtExchange's new user interface have the option to integrate their ThoughtExchange account with an Outlook calendar to stay up to date about the launch and close dates for any exchanges they've created. To set up the integration, all I have to do is click the profile icon in the top right-hand corner of the page and select Profile Settings. Here I'll navigate to the Integrations tab and click Connect under the Outlook Calendar option. That will trigger this pop-up, which will automatically connect ThoughtExchange with my Outlook calendar. Now, if I create a new exchange, we'll do this very quickly without filling in a lot of the details, except that we want the exchange to launch today. I'll click Next, I'll click Launch, Confirm, and now if I switch to my Outlook calendar, I may have to click Show All to see the option, but I now see the calendar for the ThoughtExchange room that I was working in, and I can see the launch and close dates for all of my exchanges. If I click these, I can get a few more details, and this will help me keep track of all of my exchanges. It's as easy as that. We hope you found this video useful. Until next time, happy thought exchanging.